Oh, what is up, guys? So today I have a huge announcement, and the announcement is we have actually started the journey of getting our first 250 customers. Now, if you don't know me yet, my name is Aroseth. I'm the founder of Glonspace, which is a digital platform that connects shipment owners with verified deliverers on the platform so they can ship their items in just a matter of hours. That is the problem the current logistics providers have not yet worked on, and we think that shipping items in a couple of weeks or even months is not practical, more so to small and medium businesses, e-commerce sellers that are out there. So if you want to join us on this journey of our first 250 customers, please go on glonspace.com. We have a wait list there, and submit your email. We'll be ready to actually update you the moment we launch the platform. Thank you very much, and see you there.